the sky good when you did too. I stood in this to fall for you. Each drop a word we never said, falling quiet where we once bled. I walked alone through evening's hush. You never left but lost your touch. Your name still echoes off my skin, like something sacred wearing thin. I named the rain after you. Each storm a memory breaking through. You don't know what you still do, but I named the rain after you. You kissed me soft like you were tired, then left me burning cold and wired. The sky turned gray, the world stood still, but I loved you, I always will. I drink the air like it's your breath. I taste regret in what is left. You fade each time I close my eyes, but stay too loud inside goodbyes. Umbrellas bloom, but not for me. I wear the storm so you can see that I remember even now the warmth before the sky allowed. And maybe when the clouds return, you'll feel my name beneath the churn. Just know I never blamed the blue, I only named the rain after you.